This GTC, you can see how AI will revolutionize computing everywhere, from scientific computing, cloud, enterprise data centers, edge, to autonomous machines. A few weeks ago, we announced our intention to acquire ARM. ARM is the most popular CPU in the world. Together, we can offer NVIDIA accelerated and AI computing technologies to the ARM ecosystem, reaching computers everywhere. Last year, we announced porting CUDA in our scientific computing stack to ARM. The performance was excellent and the response from the HPC community was fantastic. Today, we're announcing a major initiative to advance the ARM platform. We're making investments across 3 dimensions. First, we're complementing ARM partners with GPU, networking, storage, and securities technologies to create complete accelerated platforms. Second, we're working with ARM partners to create platforms for HPC, cloud, edge, and PC. This requires chips, systems, and system software. And third, we are porting the NVIDIA AI and NVIDIA RTX engines to ARM. Today, these capabilities are available only on x86. With this initiative, ARM platforms will also be leading edge at accelerated and AI computing. Let me summarize some of our announcements at this GTC. First, the age of AI has begun, and NVIDIA is in full throttle to advance this new form of computing. DGX SuperPod is a ready-made AI infrastructure for your AI researchers to become instantly productive. NVIDIA Clara Discovery is a suite of accelerated and AI tools for medical researchers. NVIDIA AI Inference Compute is growing 10 times every couple of years, and this year surpassed total CPU compute in the cloud. Hundreds of companies are operating services with NVIDIA AI Inference, including Microsoft Office, American Express, and Tencent. NVIDIA Jarvis Conversational AI is in open beta. NVIDIA Conversational AI is twice as responsive, 1/3 the cost, and more natural sounding than running on CPUs. NVIDIA's Merlin Recommender is also in open beta, and we demonstrated NVIDIA Maxine, an AI video platform for services like AI video calls. Second, data center is the new unit of computing. We announced the BlueField-2 DPU, a programmable data center infrastructure on a chip. DOCA with CUDA is the programming architecture. We announced a major partnership with VMware, the industry-leading data center OS platform. We're porting VMware to BlueField. Someday, 30 to 40 million enterprise servers around the world will be accelerated by DPUs. BlueField has an exciting roadmap. Over the next couple of years, we will increase throughput nearly 1,000-fold. Third, we're taking AI and data analytics to the world's enterprise. We announced a second partnership with VMware to enable VMware virtualization for the 3 computing domains needed for enterprise AI: virtualized, scale-out, and container microservices. And we announced that Cloudera is accelerating with NVIDIA AI. VMware and Cloudera serve nearly every major enterprise in the world. Fourth, NVIDIA EGX and our network of partners are helping the world's largest industries create and operationalize AI services. It is exciting to see successful EGX trials in manufacturing, logistics, retail, and healthcare. And finally, for autonomous machines, we've created the AI system to write the software and the robotics computer to run it. And with NVIDIA Omniverse, we have a physically based simulation engine to create the worlds to train the robots. The age of AI is in full throttle. Thanks for joining us today at GTC.